need civil engineering mindsets. Now we are going to show that the most important formula and civil engineering. If you are civil engineer, you are not that all formula and how we can show that in the proof of theirs can where we can use their all formulas. Okay. First of all, we discuss you the mass densities. What is the mass density? The mass density and volume are the physical properties of the objects. To calculate the mass density or the volume on the object, we can use their formulas. Okay, viewers, that formula is called density. When you find the density of the any object in volumes, then you can see their all. Okay, density equal to mass divided by volume. This you can be write as the mass and the d is the density and the v is the volume of the object. Okay, the second important formula is speed, distance, time. That is most important things for the civil engineers. When you go in the then you can call there okay, what is the speed, distance, time. It is the topic about the relations between there is the three measure is show you in the formula below. Okay, now you can see here the speed formula. Speed formula. Speed formula is here. Speed is equal to distance divided by time. Well, speed equal to distance divided by times. This formula can be regrets to calculate the distance or calculate the times given to others two measures. An easy way to remember this formula to end the difference arguments and used to be the speed distance by the triangles. We are discuss about there the speed distance limits and by the example of triangles. Now you can see there this is the one, this is the speed of formula, distance, and this is the time. Now you can see there also when you divide by n it's that's time of formula you can see there. Okay, the third one is the pressure formula. The pressure formula is the formula connecting pressures and the force. The pressure is the component measures equal to the force per unit area. To calculate the pressures or the force applied on the object, we can use the pressure formula equal to pressures equal to force divided by area. Representing pressures, the F representing force, and the A representing area. Okay, the fourth one is what is velocity? Wow, when you are driving on the car, also the then after you said that in this video to watch and here also, then you cannot to be problem there. What is velocity? The velocity on the object is the different is the displacement the cover by its the per unit times and the particular directions. The symbol is used to represent the velocity as v and the velocity equal to displacement multiplied by time. Okay, that is the formula of velocity. V equal to d divided by t is representing time. T distance dimension is now you can see their dimension also. That is the dimension of velocity. Now you can see in the both cars and the opposite directions. Okay, first one is here. The speed equal to 18 meter minutes per hour. The velocity is 18 meter per hour. The two were north, going to north side, and the other car is going to the south side in the same direction and the same speeds. That is called velocity. Next one is force formula. All most engineers is known by their formula force equal to ma. It is representing to m representing to kg and a representing to mass per seconds. Okay, now you can see there in the picture also. Here's F equal to ma, the Newton force and mass, and A equal to accelerations. Okay, one has energy. Energy. All engineer has used and their formula in our fields. What is energy? Works equal to force and distance moved on the directions of the force is called energy. Energy representing to W equal to FD. Okay. Now we discuss in the detail on energy. The law of the conservations of the energy cannot to be made or destroyed, but it is changed from one from the another's. Positional energy is equal to m multiplied by g multiplied by h. The kinetic energies is equal to 1 by 2 m multiplied by v squares. Kinetic energy is the loss of the position energy, like a speed. Oh, now you can see there the moment of the force. Also, you know that the turn and the effect of the force. The moment of the force about any point is the defined is the moment equal to force multiplied by the perpendicular distance from the points equal to F multiplied by D meter immense. The second, okay, we can show the word on the mass by the sparing. Now you can see the what is the Hooke law. A material by Hooke law is the benefit to the elastic limit. The extensions is proportionals to the load. L equal to the spring contents and extensions. Now you can see there the okay, that is important topics to be here. We are discussing to do that all formula and civil engineering set using always. I hope you understand something is there to learn of this video. See you next time.